Okay, we are in now. As you come in, this is what you see. And by my right here is the dining section. And coming to this side, this is the living area, quite spacious. This is another little breakfast area, and then the kitchen with the island that you all want. Okay, that's the pantry right here. Two doors, and it has another pantry over here. This is the laundry area. It's quite spacious. So before I show you the master's suite, let me take you upstairs to see the three rooms we have upstairs and then the master's suite downstairs. It's a 4-bed, 4-bath home. Let's go. Now a restroom. And here's the third room upstairs. So just so you know, this house has a basement as well. So a lot of space, a lot of space. You don't want to miss out on this one. So now let's go see the master suite. You will be wild. So this is the visitors half bath. This is the huge master's bedroom. Okay. Here is the master's restroom and bath. You see how huge this is? If you want to see it, book a private tour and I'm gonna get you in as soon as possible. Jack and Jill going on there with a lot of cabinets, and the bathtub is right here. Here's the closet space. It's bigger than it looks. You want to come see it in person? Yep. Now let's go to the basement. So on this way, and then you see the basement door right here. We have two rooms. We have two rooms here at the basement with its own kitchen cabinets. Let's take a look. The closet space. Here's another space. This house is so huge, guys. It's so huge. Let's check out this is the first room and the basement and the closet space. Let's check out the second room right here. Let me give you a look. Coming this way. And then Closet space, huge, huge. And then the restroom. So a whole suite here with two rooms in the basement. Okay? This house is located in Hoover, Alabama. If you've been thinking of living in Hoover, Alabama, hit me up and let's talk about this house. Okay? If there are any renovations that you would like to have, we can talk about it as well. And yeah, let me show you the back porch right here. It's enclosed and it's huge and massive. So you can have game nights, watch movies with family, and just have fun. Host parties right here. So it's a huge, huge porch at the back here. Can we talk about the wooden floors? So pretty. And on the stairs as well. So I need to show you the yard and how the back of the house is looking. Look at it. So huge. I love it. So let me take you around so you can see the front and tell me what you think. And let me know if it's worth the price, okay? Here is the two-car garage. Turn around, and then this is what the front is looking like. Yep. Is it a beautiful house or it's a beautiful house? It has to be one of those two, okay? So, yeah, let's get a closer look. That's it. This is it right there. And then the door is giving antique. Like, yeah, you can beat this. So hit me up if you would like to have a closer look. You want a private tour of the house, just let me know. Call, text, email, and I will make it possible as soon as possible. Bye.